What's going on, guys? Ben Haley here. Today, um, I'm working. I've been working, and got something for you. So, it's a control panel, which I am going to be starting to make because I'm going to need more than one person to control these guys, unless I can find another way to control them. But I'm going to have another crew, which is probably going to be all my YouTube friends, Nate, Xander, Kirsten, anybody. And I just finished Fatz's control panel, which is this. So his controller has left. Wait, so you're looking at him and his left and his right, which is this is his right and this is his left. So, two cells, two batteries. These are just out of random taking apart stuff. But so you can actually make Fatz work by pressing these buttons, and his face is going to be RC and his hands are going to be these powered. So I already have his left, so let's press it and see what happens. Bum 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 bum. See? That's just enough movement. Man. Oh, crap. Alright. Well, that's an easy fix, you guys. Just a minute, yeah. Well, you can do it with that too, you know. Yeah, we'll just have the buttons there. You know what? I'm just gonna. Yeah, I'm just gonna have the buttons there. Now this cell right here has this push button, and something's like this is a different kind of switch. So I added an RC car. So like I make like that is Billy Bob's over there, and that he controls Billy Bob. But this switch came off of one of those switches right there that looks similar to that. And what you do is you turn the switch right on, and automatically his hand goes up. So you just use this to, and that motor's pretty powerful. But let's see. And now you can control him. So now you can program him, but I can't program right now because I don't have the technology. But let's see if I can set this up. Okay, so I got this ironing board that I found in the shop. So I got this thing. I'm just gonna. You guys can see Fatz there. Can you see that? Okay, so now you can see the control panel and Fatz. Turn the switch on. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Ding, 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 ding. So that's that. That's my new progress right now. See you guys later. Benjamin Manila here. See you guys later.